everyone, back to Jayden TiVi. Today we're going to do 2 experiments. We have 3 cups that have water and 2 cups that don't have water. Because the water is going to absorb to this cup. And what we need here is a paper towel and food coloring. And we also got a paper towel so we can make it like this. And I will show you how to do it. So, what we do is just roll it. And when we're done rolling it, we can twist it. We don't have to twist too much, because then it's too skinny. And it's gonna look skinny like this. Oh, it's starting to look skinny now. Oh, it's starting to look skinny. This is the experiment that we learn about color. And it's fun to do at home when you're bored. So I got red, blue, and yellow food coloring. And I'm gonna pour, and then I'm gonna drop these in the cups that have water. Okay. So this color is red, blue, and yellow. Okay. So I'm gonna add red first. 2. Oh, it's starting to look red. 3 and 4. Okay. Oh, it's starting to look red. Oh, it's starting to look red now. It's starting to look red. Okay, next one, blue. We need 4 drops of this. Last one, yellow. Last one is yellow. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a mix. Okay, it's looking red now. Okay, it's starting to look like red water. Now we mix the blue. Okay, now we mix. I'm not really good at mixing. Now we mix the yellow. Well, I already mixed it, so. Okay, now here comes the fun. We fold this in half, like this. And we put this, and then we stick them in there. I don't know if this is gonna work. Wait, I see red in the cup. This looking a little red. Working, but it's a bit slow. Okay. Oh, what is even wrong? This is going so slow. This is the max slow. Oh, this might take forever. So it does take a little long to start the paper towel. You can see it is working a little bit. Well, it's taking a little too long, so we're gonna do it on time lapse. Let's go. Speed. think red and blue make purple. I think yellow and blue make green. It is turning green, so I guess that's right. It works, it works. It works. This experiment, it does take a little long, but the result will be amazing. And you will be surprised. So, what do you think of this experiment, friends? It does look kind of cool. Let's mix the red and the blue one to see what color it is. Oh, it's purple. It's turning purple. Oh yes, it's working. So I have learned something new. Red and blue make purple. Now let's mix the yellow and the blue. See what color it makes. Kind of working. Oh, it works, it works. Okay. So blue and yellow make green. Isn't that so cool, my friend? So this is something that you can do at home, but also something that you can learn from home. It's so cool. It's so cool. Oh, yeah. It's so cool. Try this. You'll have fun, my friend. Some science thing that you can do at home when you have spare time. Okay, on to the next experiment. Let's go. Thank you for watching Jayden TiVi. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. See you in our next experiment video. Bye.